Primarily, if using a regular pencil, we have to take shades into consideration. So light tends to make the object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object. Now, there's two ways three-dimensional illustration. Three-dimensional illustration is depicted on a two-dimensional surface from a geometric standpoint. From a geometric standpoint, it is contingent, actually conducive to perpendicular and diagonal lines. So from a geometrical correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, illustrating or demonstrating a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface, primarily if you're using a regular. So ambiguity means indecisiveness. With art now, darkness tends to ground the object, and light tends to make the object pop. So hence the reason when we're looking at, if you're using this technically on a two-dimensional surface, if we're illustrating three-dimensionally on a two-dimensional surface, primarily if you're using a regular pencil, we have to take shades into consideration. So light tends to make the object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object. Now there's two ways three-dimensional illustration. Three-dimensional illustration is depicted on a correlation.